In today's video, I'll show you how to update the Figma desktop app in just a few simple steps. Keeping Figma updated is important because new versions can include performance improvements, bug fixes, security updates, and new features. The good news is that checking for an update only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software guides. Let's get started. First, open the Figma desktop app on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, Start menu, Applications folder, or wherever you normally open Figma. Make sure you are using the desktop application rather than Figma in a web browser because the update option is available through the desktop app menu. Once Figma is open, look at the top right corner of the application window. You should see the window controls, including the minimize icon. Next to the minimize icon, find the small drop-down arrow. Click this drop-down icon to open the Figma application menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Check for Updates. Click on it. Figma will now check whether a newer version of the desktop app is available. This may only take a moment, so wait for the update check to finish. If Figma is already up to date, you should see a message confirming that you are using the latest version. In that case, there is nothing else you need to do, and you can close the menu and continue using Figma normally. If an update is available, Figma may display an option to download or install it. Follow the instructions shown on screen. Depending on the version and your operating system, Figma may download the update automatically, ask you to restart the application, or require you to reopen Figma before the update is completed. Save any important work before restarting the app. After Figma reopens, you can repeat the same steps if you want to confirm that the latest version has been installed. Open the top right drop-down menu again, click Check for Updates, and verify that Figma reports that the application is up to date. And that's how to update the Figma desktop app. Open Figma, click the drop-down icon next to the Minimize button, select Check for Updates, and follow the instructions if a new version is available. If this guide was useful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.